Wala ako.
This is its
Piluto lang ako. Ay, bibigyan niya ako ration. Nasaan ration to?
Tinilip siya.
Genesis. Spark Lord game.
Ini-disconnect ulit. Sino yun? Ako ba yun?
I'll put the materials I gathered in your item box.
Si Von.
Nag-easy si Bon.
Nagiging si Von.
Paano ko na-DC lobby ko to?
Wala ka na eh. Kami na lang ni Mosot na sa lahat.
Ito si Maro.
Ayun. Magkasama kami di ba, no? Ay, ni Mogot. Up. Ano yung armor mo? Ganda.
Ano to eh? Yung pangalang ng armor nito.
Ba't nagpalit ka ng bigote? Ba't meron ka ng mustache?
Hindi ako nag-shave.
Ng ano?
Hindi ako nag-shave ng bigot eh. Gago.
Hindi mo si Mosot kung mga ng karakter niya.
Oh, siya.
Yung karakter ko mukhang artista, di ko kamukha eh.
Nag-post ka na, boss? Nakita mo na? SOS ka.
Hindi, di ako nakamute. Maririnig nila yung mga trash talk mo.
SOS ka, boss. Mare, ano, napaka-flamboyant yan.
Pwede ka magluto, ito na. Tapos panoorin mo yung animation. Yeah. Favorite meals. Tignan mo, sarap yung luto niya. Oh, yeah, bacon. Bacon ba yun? Bacon eh, yung... Oo, niya, turbo. Hindi ko nga kamukha mo ang artist yung karakter.
Balbas.
Eh, wala akong balbas eh, pinapalakpakan ako ni Mos.
Wala siyang balbas, kulang siya sa testosterone.
Wala ako sa testosterone daw, sabi ni Mos, at puro ko estrogen. Huwag ka na magluto! Huwag ka na magluto!
Tali kami, boss!
Sali kami ganyan. Hindi pa ata naka din si Von.
Wala, hindi siya nag-test.
Nililigaw ako.
Hindi siya nag-ano, SOS. Ay, nga pala na busy siya.
Kapag nag-activate, check natin saan. Ayan yung ano ko, yan yung paniko ko, yan yung pet ko. Kapag nag-start na yung mission ni Von, dapat makita natin yun sa ano. Ay, hindi pala tayo link party.
Naka-link member ko kanina. Wait lang. Ang hirap.
Disconnect eh, wait. I-try kitang invite. Yan, invitation sent.
Yan.
And on quest na siya. Bon, accept mo yung para maka-join kami sa quest mo.
Asan? Invitation error.
Link member quest. Wala eh. Sabi member quest.
Wala.
Order.
Ito pa, invite ko ulit si Bon. Nag-SOS ka na, Bon? Pag nag-SOS mo, saan natin may kita yung quest?
Ewan ko, minsan sa link, minsan sa SOS ano.
Ah,
Sa SOS player quest, minsan nakikita ko rin sa link member quest. Nakapasok ko ba siya dito? Parallels.
Bakit na lang kayo nakalink lang daw sa akin?
wala. Pag nag-disconnect, nawawala yung link eh.
Nawawala yung link.
Oo.
Searching, no quest session pa.
Nakalagay sa akin, Bon, link party invitation already sent. Pag ini-invite kita.
Hindi mo pa in-accept ko.
Ano, busy ako.
Tago ka muna, tapos accept mo. Maglaro kami.
Ang magpapalo. Walang dito.
Lipat ka ng area. Saka mo, so pwede ba kitang iwain? Ayun na. Ay, from
Okay.
Apollo.
Hindi, ba yun? Ano yan sa
Ito
identity?
pala yun.
Cute si Pums.
Cute si Pose. Cute si Pose din ako.
Picturean mo nga.
Ano? Sige, ikaw.
Yan. Yan. Kung ganyan na ako, tapos poster. Picturean mo. Bakla ko na yun.
Photo mode. Ay, may photo mode. May photo mode ba dito? Ay,
Tapos start. Settings,
Screenshot.
auto mode.
Nag-screenshot ako. Photo mode.
O tayo lang yung members eh, hindi nakasama sa post.
Ano nga eh. May pagpatayan na sa front eh.
Piso na eh. Kaya pala may bilang ko pa yung armoron kong sako.
Ay, full go. Dapat kasi permanent na yung link member eh.
Nawawala-wala ba siya, Mara?
Every time nag-disconnect tayo.
Pero kapag na-friend naman,
Nasa hunter friend list, pero hindi link party.
hindi din party yun.
Ano na bang kinakalaban mo ba? Bakit? Maraming invite?
Ayop ka. Dahil in-accept ko
Bakit?
yung
Ano?
Ay, nakapasok ko si boss. Pwede na tayo mga ano.
Tara!
Tulungan natin, kawawa.
Kawawa naman si Bon, let's go!
Pwede na.
Ayan lang, link mom. Go boys! Pwede pa rin naman water dito, Mosat, no?
Oh.
Go!
Ayun. Full gun. Cool.
Take ko, karating ko lang. Oh, yan.
Nakikot tayo na natalo siya.
Nangyari dyan.
Angkas na siya.
Ah.
Require yata si...
Record it, bitch.
Uy, nati-easy ako!
Ayan, motor. Join ka ulit.
Alis ako dito.
Ito na, DC. Pangalawa mo na yan. Restart mo na yung wifi mo.
Okay, wait lang. Patayin ko lang yung main wifi ko.
Sakto naman siya. Yan, dito na yung mosquito.
Bakit kaya nabibis yung... Paano mag-abandon ko?
Very good.
I-restart ko lang wifi ko.
Dito sa likod ko mismo. Nice. Umalis na.
Lang. Restart ko lang yung wait.
Sige.
Sabi mo sa papatayin na ni Consian.
Pagdating ni Mosot, babatayin ko siya ng tayo.
Sabi may akarakan.
I got it!
Ayaw. Galit na galit lang siya natin.
Yo!
Ah, yo.
Napatay niya na?
Hindi pa. Join ka na, Motot. Invite na kita.
Wait pa. Respond. Bantayin niyo!
Bon! Gotcha, Ronnie. I'm burning. Hyper armor. I'm fucking dead.
Initializing.
Buhay ka na ba, Motot?
Ito na. Okay. Oh, ano? May menu na.
Invite na kita.
Yes, invite na ako.
Offline ka pa sa akin.
Dito na ako sa ano.
Ang laki ng gamit.
Ano lady?
Patay na, Motot.
Napatay niya na? Nice. Sige, pusot kayo. Sali ako.
Matay ka ba, Mara?
Hindi. Muntik na.
Ano labi ID niya para makasali ako? Patay ko dito.
Same pa rin yung sinend mo sa akin.
Ayun pa rin.
Ah. Pero invite na kita sa member dito.
Lobby search. U9896. U96.
Parang ang konti na ng mga binibigay na rewards dito.
Hindi, habang nagbabattle may napupulot, di ba?
Ah, okay, oo nga. Hindi ko kasi napupulot yung iba.
Hindi, pag nagbabattle, di ba, parang may naupuha agad. Andito na kayo?
I'm sure
Time's
Gemma and the
gathered.
others have it under control. Let's head back.
Hindi. Balik!
Ring party.
Mahaba-haba pa naman yun nun yan, cutscene.
Well,
Sige, pa-post mo na ako.
Magpe-festival sila dyan eh.
Join ka muna sa akin, Motor.
Ano kan mo? Quest.
Tinatapos ko yung mga ano eh. Yung optional. Ano, Akara Karn, Ajara Karn.
Thank you.
Yes, yes,
Owe
yes.
it all to you.
Water.
well, we did this together.
Everyone, great work! We did it!
Huwag kang mag-DC, mag-isa lang ako pag...
Stunning.
Balikot pa man din kung
Hindi ako
Ajara Karn.
makasali dyan.
Standing
Ayoko.
about too.
Makakasali ka.
Makakasali ka.
Oo.
Sinil mong phone.
Tinatapos ko kasi yung mga quest ko eh. Ay, yung mga optional quest. Oh,
You did well.
Ay, gago. Kala ko nandun siya sa ano.
We owe you and Jesus an apology. Hey,
I-release daw Blanco nga, Mara.
Right.
meron ng blanco nga?
it's fine.
I-release
You did it
daw.
for us.
Oo, kailan.
We were the ones who got carried away.
Susunod na update.
All's well as long as the Everforge is working.
Tago naman to.
Makulit, no?
Thought I'd seen it all.
Happy to help.
Ay, nasa ano pala tayo? Diyan mo na siya, Mosot.
The boss said I did well.
Bitch! Oh!
I think he's really excited for the
Yun.
next one. That's great. When everything was falling apart, I was ready to give up, you know.
Na-poison ba siya? Na-poison siya.
But then, you really yelled the courage
Oh,
right back
talaga.
into me.
Ito pa makuha
You
yung timing ng
single-handedly saved the day.
I
uli.
don't know about that. I think you can't get a finished product without all the components coming together, right?
Sa
Tama
tingin
yung
mo,
mga-
magandang controls yung sa World 2 ito.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Sa ngayong stage, syempre, ang masasabi ko, world pa rin. Pero, syempre, di ba? Baguhan pa lang tayo dito eh.
Dito yung...
Mas mahirap mag ano eh. Mas mahirap mag-dodge sa longsword sa world eh. Talagang kailangan sakto. Dito hindi.
Oh, parang mas madali nga yung game eh. Ewan ko, nasa lorang pa lang naman tayo eh. Aray ko.
Yung ano, yung... Hirap saktuhan yung ano ba yun? I slash yung sa longsword. Yung spirit slash.
Okay.
Yung natutumba, parang nararagdal. Puta. Alis, para. Bakit yan?
All units of the expedition.
Makuha yung timing ng offset.
Everyone seems like they're in good spirits.
Yeah.
Let's prepare for the next hunt.
Yeah. Suga. Tension! Pong. Ang dami. Uy, Rico, mausot ako yun. Acharakan fragment ka. Join ka na. Ay, nagkakatsin pa pala si Juan.
Mahaba cutscene
Papasok
yan.
na ako.
Oh boys! Katsugat echo, bitch! Gago, para akong garapata.
All surprised today.
Pong.
Their eyes will help with this quest.
Garapata.
Let's be sure to use them.
Hindi pa dapat paghihirap mo. Bonk. Bonk. Hello.
Ano yung outfit na sinasabi ng Mara pag?
Parang counter kapag ginawa ko yung offset habang umaatake yung monster, cancel ko yung attack niya tapos para mat-stun siya ng konti. Nangyari kanina eh.
Yun ba yung na parang naka-great sword yung ano? Yung suit ups?
Hindi. May dalawang offset attack eh. Pag naka-axe mode, pwede ko siyang i-offset. Pag sword mode, counter attack lang. Mamatay na siya. Where you going, bitch?
Ayun natin, patulogin natin. Nagpampatulog.
Meron ka? Sige, wala akong ganun eh.
Hintayin natin matulog.
Uliin mo?
Baka mas maraming items dun.
Try lang natin.
Teka, may butike.
Tama, poster ko yung butiki. Ay, tumigil sa paggalaw nitong secret ko ang putik.
Nakaka-roll nga itong mount na to.
Boom! Huli ang butiki.
Tupay sa race yung yung aso.
Oo. Mas madaling kontrolin niya.
Mas madaling kontrolin yun.
Kinuri ko yung flashbugs, yung flashlights.
Tutulog na siya. Matutulog na siya. Ay lang, tulogin natin.
Capture mo na.
Check ko.
Isingin ko.
I've set a trap.
Trap!
Yun!
Pagti mo na tingin.
Mas nauna yung yung trap kaysa to.
Wala tuloy akong oras mag-farm. Charot.
This thing's a triple with new data.
Yung machalite, sabi ni Dang.
Machalite. Carbalite.
Machalite! Andiyan na yung machalite war! Andiyan na si Mara!
Ay, parang mas onti. Parang mas onti.
May nakuha akong dalawang Ajarakan tail nung pinatulog mo siya as in instant.
Ang maganda. Umaro.
Paano nangyari yun? Isa lang buntot nun.
Yun nga eh. Nakakuha ko ng dalawa, nag-pop dalawang beses.
Congrats on another.
So baka pag kinapture, meron kang parang instant reward.
Anything catch your eye? Got something in mind?
Dosaguma.
3 minutes. 3 lang. Meet.
See you later.
So, guess
If the trouble's just for me, I can handle.
Look, I know. Thing is, my brain doesn't. Sometimes you're just going to have to spell it out.
May naaway si Werner.
Go there. That festival was a spectacle we won't soon forget, huh?
Ano yan? Autistic yan.
Sparkle on that
Thanks
ornament.
for defending Azuz while I was.
Oo, autistic yan.
Of course.
Retarded din kausap
I'm
ka.
just glad we're nothing now.
Tsura pa
Hindi
lang.
daw niya makukuha yung normal na tao. Autistic nga eh, na nasa spectrum.
It sure was. Did you have fun?
I had so much fun. I'm really happy.
Ano siya,
I was
idiot
able to
savant.
see People are...
Mm.
I just...
Basta nga kayo
I
natakay
know
sa kay
Oh.
I
Werner.
haven't been much help yet. But I'll
Bawal
do
na
my
nga pala
best to
sabihin
guide us to
retarded,
my
no?
village.
Tsaka autistic. Tanong yung nakakasuhan ka. Kasi ano daw.
No, if there's anything I learned from my...
Differently abled.
Oo, mga
Glad I
ganun.
got to spend-
Tanong ko pag nasa Pilipinas ka, tawagin siya Mongoloid.
Sorry about Werner. Thanks for cleaning up his. That must have been a
Na walang Pilipino dito tayo na walang pakialam sa feelings mo eh.
Pero pag nasaktan yung Pilipino, iyak din siya.
Oo. Ay,
Mga Pilipino talaga eh.
irony no?
Ba't hater ka ng Pilipino? Ako yun ah. Meron akong bagong weapon. Parang sight. Nakita ko yung mga late game weapons na itsura ng charge blade. Ang gaganda. Nakakatukso.
Sa mga high rank.
Oo. Parang mga ano, Gundam. Ano kayo?
Nag-post na kayo?
Eh, si Bon naman, kakatapos ko lang mag-post. O baka ikaw?
Oo.
Try mo mag-post.
Hindi tayo makasali sa pinopost
There you
niya.
are. I wish to discuss our next move.
Ay,
Do you have a
HF15 na yun,
moment?
tangin yun. Ikaw Bon, post ka, tapos join kami.
This way.
Yeah. May kinakausap na kong lalaki.
Sinata.
All right,
Parang
good.
malaking na-
O
Everyone's
smelting
here.
niya.
Let's
Nung
begin.
madaling araw, ang dami ko nakakalarong ibang lahi.
Some time has passed since we entered the Forbidden Lands.
Nag-voice chat
We
ka.
should review what we've learned.
Hindi. Nakikinig lang ako sa kanila.
Good idea.
Huwag ka mag-voice chat mo at mababan ka. Baka may bigla kang sabihin.
The weather follows a pattern of seasons.
Mga-
Delegado yun, delegado.
Fallow.
Mga gublok eh. Alam ko yung mga
Gublok,
gublok na
anjing,
ganyan.
anjing.
A season of
Kaya
Oo,
ko rin yung mga
mga
These
anjing-anjing.
events occur in a cyclical
Yung
rhythm.
Indonesian yun, di ba?
Right.
Oh, anjing-anjing,
The rhythm is
goblok.
most likely controlled by the
Goblok,
energy
goblok.
flowing through the landslide.
That energy. is
Kapag
called
siya
rhythm, and it's a
bliat
part
ba
of
yun, ano
everyday
yun,
life.
Russian
Oo,
naman yan.
Russian. Tukabyat.
Makes you
Yung
want to know
ginagawa.
where it's from, doesn't it?
We followed the
Pagputay
land
na yun,
down
kaya
into
alam
the
ko rin
basin,
yun.
but it seemed to continue on past the
Pinoy.
Iceshore cliffs.
Ginagamit na nga rin nila yun eh.
Then we need to investigate the far side.
Oo. Inagamit na rin yung mura yun.
The white wraith appeared during the downpour and the sand tide.
Which lends strong evidence that it's feeding on the elemental energy those
Una kay Gemma ka na naman, kitang-kita ka mo sa to.
But isn't it strange
Bakit masaya tumambay dito eh.
during the fire spring? Indeed. Why
Ganda kaya ng view. Pag pinupukpok niya yung martilyo.
Perhaps
Ano
it
yun, Mozart?
already has all the
Maganda yung view pag
energy it
pinupukpok niya
needs.
yung martilyo.
Seeing as there have been no
Gusto
further
mo talaga
sightings,
ma-cancel?
it'll be hell picking up its trail again.
Mushroom Monster. Ang cute ng Konggalala, parang
I suggest
rockstar, ay
our
parang
unit
punk.
looks for a way to pass beyond the ice shard cliffs.
Tinay ko yung pambabae niyan, tayo
Then I
naggapahan.
have good news for you. Remember the thick
Pambabae
Yung
yung
sa lalaki.
passageway? I have
nga,
confirmation
no?
that Black Flame seems
Yung
to
sa
have
lalaki, parang punk, oh. Punk.
Oo.
Nandun
The
pala
path
araw.
that leads to
Pangit
my
lang ng
village?
ano, weapon ng kung galala na ano, dual sword tayo ng
It is
Maracas.
fortunate. You can investigate the land spine and
Dual
the keepers.
bonks.
Two birds with one stone.
Then that's our objective.
Ustud na. Usduna?
Ba't nawala na
Astrum
yung
unit will
matapari?
set up a base camp at the ice shard cliffs to further our research.
Yung leader ng guild, nasan siya?
Now we all know what to do. Let's get to it.
Sinong leader ng guild?
Yung
Yung commander?
Oo, ba't di ko na siya nakikita?
Di ba inutusan lang tayo dun sa unang cutscene nun? Parang inutusan
Oo.
lang tayo, tapos natira siya dun sa ano.
Chill lang siya dun. Upal yun eh.
This was where the obstruction was. Look!
Nasa cutscene na Kumara, di ko alam kung ano to.
I can finally go home. This way, everyone!
Uwi na daw si Nata, buti naman.
Kupal yan si Nata. Nakakainis siya, parang si ano, si Ava sa ano.
Can't
Galit
wait to see
Borderlands
everyone.
Galit ka lang kay Nata
And
kasi
Uncle
lagi nakakapit kay Gemma.
Did you really walk this whole way by
Sa
yourself?
Borderlands 3 si ano?
Nata?
Si Tina?
Hindi yun.
Hindi, si Ava.
Si Ava.
Thanks to Nata, our two worlds have been
Matanda na si
connected.
Tina dun.
We will find his people.
Kinasal na siya dun, si Trey.
Gago, baka di pa nabutan ni
That's
Mara si Ava.
Lead the way, Nata.
Okay.
Di ba naglaro ka, Mara?
Oo,
BL3.
Tina, di ba siya yung bata?
Hindi, siya ata yun sa 2.
Borderlands 2 yung nilalaro mo, Mara.
Borderlands 3, gamit ko yung boses ni Proz D. Si ano, yung may dog na robot.
Si Flack.
Oo, si Flack.
Ba't di mo wala
Tsaka nandun pa rin si Tina.
Matanda si Tina dun.
Teenager pa lang si Tina dun.
It's completely different here.
Kinasal na siya. Di ba invite tayo sa isang mission nun? Ni ano, ni Brock, ni Brick. Ba yun? Brick.
Gago, hindi naman siya kinasal dun. Si Hammerlock
He
yun
must
eh.
be here somewhere.
Hindi, yung isang mission dun.
Naka-autopilot ako pa naglalaro ng Borderlands 3.
Eh, hindi siya mission, parang nabanggit niya na may fiancé siya, gano'n na getting married something.
Di ba yung married na yun, pinatay niya lang yung fiancé niya? Nakatali, binomba niya, yun ba yun?
Yun ba yun? Nalimutan ko rin eh.
Oo, yun yung marriage siya ata na ginawa niya. Naalala ko yun, di ba doon nawala ng power yung ano, yung Fire Phoenix?
Oo, si ano. Si...
Tapos namatay yung Kevin Hart, si Kevin Hart.
Sa 2 yun, namatay si... Roland.
Ito ba? Sa Roland? Sa 3? Sa 2 ba yun? Kay Handsome Jack?
Iba yata yung...
Nalilito na ako. Nilaro ko kasi magkasunod yun eh. 2 tsaka 3. Ang di ko nalaro yung 1.
Hindi pa rin nalaro.
Ginagamit ko sa 2. Ginagamit ko sa 2. Yung may turret. Yung commander turret.
Si Axton.
Oh, basta yung SS niya turret. Yung skill niya.
Si Axton.
Okay, si Axton.
Oo nga, si Roland. Yung una kong character doon, meron bang robot na sniper doon sa 2?
Run! Something's wrong!
Hindi, assassin yun.
Assassin na kaya. Ayun, si Zero. Siya yung una kong character, kaso ang baba ng DPS ko sa kanya. Tapos nag-ano ako, gumawa akong bago. Tapos, isa ito po. Nilaro ko din yung ano, kami ni Benben, nilaro namin yung Borderlands na ano, Tiny Tina's Wonderland.
Naglaro rin kami ni Bonon.
Ah?
Naglaro rin kami ni Bonon.
Ayan na si Bon, nagpost na si Bon.
Ayan.
Go boys!
Did its attack create them?
Naglaro rin tayo Bonon. Hindi niya nagustuhan.
Wala, hindi naman maka-join. Ako, kasi baka story quest. Ayun, okay. Gawin ko na muna yung akin.
Tapos nag-guma.
Tama mo muna si Von Motat.
Maganda weapon yun. Hindi ko pa na-progress yung cutscene. Yung sa'yo, Mara.
Hindi pa.
Nagkwentuhan tayo.
Pupunta pa akong inward planes, bad trip. Nagkwentuhan pa tayo.
Pero,
Bawal yun!
Malakas yan, Guardian. Hayop yan eh. Nasabog yung ano, yung mga yung parang fight na ano yun. Masabog yun. Hindi ka pa nagpalit ng armor boss? Armor na buhay mo.
Namatay na ako. Card!
Mura kaya. Na-card ka, Bon?
Wala, nadisi ako. Ano nangyari?
Ako. Teka.
Ano siya nagamit ang internet ng dito ba?
Ayun, pauwi pa lang sa akin si Nata.
Palayasin mo yan. Bumbay yan. Robots.
Something's leaking from its wound. That's the place to attack!
Pupunta parang mag-quit. Nangyari sa internet ko. Hindi naman nag-DC yung
Yung PC mo, na-restart mo na.
Oo. Hindi naman nag-DC yung ano yung chat natin. Yun pa rin naman, no? 9-6. 6B, 9B.
Ano yung kalaban mo, Bon? Puting Doshago, ma?
Oo. Guardian. Guardian. Yaguma.
Gago.
Ano yan eh? Mga clone lang yun eh.
Wait, spoiler ka.
Ayaw nga pala.
Kaya talagang pakunda ang hayop.
Yung ako na maglaro ng Monster Hunter, na-spoil na ako. Alam ko na yung buong story.
Kainang mosot to eh. Walang preno bunganga eh.
Sorry.
Yan, laban ko na yung Doshago, ma.
Ba't walang member quest.
Wait, invite ulit kita.
Ayun.
Mamatay ako mosot.
Kanina to.
Meron?
Oo, may lumabas. Play Guardian Doshago.
Nag-join ako kay Bon. Pinakasa ko yung Doshago ako. Tumakas na ako, Bon. Mag-join na ako sa'yo.
Oh, nangyari?
Nag-disconnect ako.
Nandisi ka?
Hindi, I mean, in-accept ko yung invitation ni Von. Tapos na-disconnect ako sa... Yan na, nasa-quest na ako. Automatic yan, parang nag-isa ng invitation kapag nakalink tayo.
paano yun? Ba't hindi ako makapasok? Saan ka ng SOS player, Mara?
Invite ulit sa sa party.
Yeah, yes.
Invite ulit party. Pag-send ako sa'yo yung invite.
Makunat yan.
Hangap mo?
Nakita ko na. Nasa si Alma My Loves.
Grabe yung damage 3-4. Three-fourths yung damage sa akin, Bon.
Gumawa ako ng armor dyan bago ko nalaban yan. Dapat gumawa ko na kayo armor.
Malay ko ba?
Pakunat yan eh. Wait
Nakita ko
na.
sa yung aking tunay na lakas.
100% lakas.
Oo. Ito ang aking tarugo.
Tarugo.
Ito man ito parang big bear. Gago mo kung Sparda tong sword na to. Nalipit to. Bon! Ay, Bon! Bon, takbo, Bon!
Diyan muna.
Takin ako sa secret at tagal mo.
Tarugo niyo. Sinupan, bakla.
Its wounds are regenerating.
Wala akong armor
I need to
skin.
destroy them before they fully heal.
Nire-regen pa to. Pala mo naman yung ano.
Ay.
Ano walang ibang monster? Tayo na yung kitalaban ko ito. May lumabas na iba eh.
Nag-party kaya.
Oo, yung kinalaban ko ito. Lumabas na talo sa ganyan. Puta na. Yun!
Nangyari sa kanya.
Ano yung gamit ko?
Ay, galit.
Ay, ito.
Ay, sunod-sunod oh, kawawa. Lumusot, paikot-ikot na no.
Kaya naliw ako mag-dual sa dyan.
Sumisir ko. Oh! Hindi na ako. Offset, bitch.
Lason ba dyan? Nalason ka?
Parang walang nagpapak sa akin.
Ang kapala kong lason yun.
Ay, matulogin mo, Paul.
Mamaya na pag hindi galit. Hindi yata matutulog pag galit.
Uhog. Oh. Ay, hindi mo na nagkakaroon.
Hindi cancel yun. Huwag nyo ngayon maano.
Cancel, bitch.
Ma-cancel ka. Pag di na nag-blue. Nag-blue ba? Yun!
Sumpong pala siya eh.
Yes.
So much.
May namatay ba?
Wala.
Wala. Ayos pala eh. Sabay na lang tayo mag-quest, Von.
Sige. Pwede
Na-complete yung quest ko. Basta mapanood ko din yung ano mo, yung...
O dapat yata magpanood mo yung cutscene bago ka makapasok.
Oo, dapat mapanood ko yung cutscene ko muna. Boom! Tough Guardian Bone. I love Bone.
Mara, mahilig sa boner.
Boner.
Ano to?
Pang spike lang. Boner.
Dali lang pala mosot eh. Tarot.
Antipara. Para saan ba to? Mga
Antiparalysis.
Go find the others. I don't know what
Antipara.
got into that thing.
Okay.
So, what's the story?
It's definitely
Offset.
a Deshagama. But at the same time, it might not be. It seems to lack reproductive organs, and its stomach and esophagus have atrophied.
Earlier, it seems like it was absorbing energy.
Di mo kayo nakikita dito sa
Almost
others.
as if it was trying to replenish its power.
Nasa cutscene ako eh.
Ah,
Hold
katindi.
on. Doesn't that sort of remind you of the White Wraith?
Gagawa daw bird yung Deshagama.
It's all speculation. But right
Yeah,
now
so
we shouldn't be out
reproductive
here in the
organs.
open. Let's continue on to the village.
Baka clone lang din yung
Let's
White
keep
Wraith.
moving, Hunter. I'll be here. Hey,
Ayan,
Hunter.
mosot. Nalaman ko na tuloy na clone lahat.
Hindi na magsasalita. Tingnan ko sa
Ayun.
lahat.
Follow me.
Hindi na ako maglalaro habang buhay.
I'll check our supplies.
Alam ko na clone.
Yeah.
Nakikadalaan ng gumagagad.
The village is this way.
Ano pang point?
All this was part of the village too, huh?
Kailangan ko na isa pang Tough Guardian
Yes.
Bow para dito
There
sa
were
Bone
homes.
Upster yun. Lakas oh.
People too.
Mukhang
595.
yung White Wraith eh.
The
Naalala
Wraith
niyo yung
ruined
monster dun sa Iceborne na
I'm
may
sure everyone's
saber-tooth
just
tiger.
hiding now, though. We just have to find them.
Oo, yung letter B.
Letter B?
Bariot.
Variot,
Variot.
oo.
Yun ba yung
Variot na maraming buntot.
spoil mo na eh. King ina ka eh.
Oo, tanginang yun. So yung Wilt, gumagawa ng mga clone sa monster, ganon. Wala na, alam ko na buong storya.
Hindi pa.
Tashin! It's me!
Putek, so hindi pa yan. So ini-spoil mo na naman ako.
Hindi na magsasalita.
Nireveal mo na sa akin, ganon.
Tashin!
Yes. Ang ganda. No puweza. Grabe naman yung mga weapons ng charge blade.
Nocta.
Ang pogi oh. Armor.
You're alive.
Sino yan? Ay, tuloy ko na ang story ko.
Nocta.
Did what you said.
Ready to go.
Stayed strong. You were right. About people. These are my friends. They helped me find my way back.
Ba't nagmamount si Gemma dyan, Bon?
Thank you.
Si Gemma dito.
Ay, hindi ko. Kasama ko si Gemma eh. Buhat niya si Nata.
We're from a land to the far west, beyond the
Nangyari
desert.
siyang bata na yun.
Brave
Hindi naman niya
Nata
kailangan
here crossed
magpabuhat
the
eh.
sands on his own to
Kaya
look
nga
for
eh.
help.
Alam mo yung little man?
Made that trek alone?
Hindi Indian yan eh. Mga Indian, mga rapist eh.
There were other people living so far
Nililibong.
Please.
Dapat talaga i-record ito mga
let us
voice
rest
call na
and
to.
talk.
Malilibog yung mga Indian eh. Taginang yan. Pati ano, pati yung buya, oh, yun. Bayawa.
Yung,
eh.
oo, pati bayawa. Tapos kinain nila after.
It's time to get inside! No!
King dyan eh. Show Bobs. Gamer pa.
Why did you redeem it?
Lagi natatawa ako doon eh.
Why did you redeem it, ma'am? Why did you redeem it?
Totoo pala yung gift check na yun. Ay, yun na.
Nagtitripan siya ng ano. Why did you listen to me? Why did you redeem it?
Nakalabanan mo to agad.
Ano lang papatay niya? Yung ano? Ano?
Holy shit!
Ano?
Behaving as erratically as the Doshagama from before.
Ano mo papatay mo?
Nakaitashin pa lang ako, Bon. Pinanood ko pa si Gemma kanina. Kumuha pa ako armor.
Pinapanood niya pa yung Jiggle Physics ni Gemma.
May rule 34 na to eh.
Kanina talaga yun. Nilibog ng mga laki.
Napanood mo na yun mo. Yun, nakakalabanin ko na kung ano mas.
Must have been from contact with its friend.
Ano papatayin niya?
Itong dragon. Ay, Ratalos! Wala, alam ko na clone yung Ratalos na to. Alam ko yung buong story. Nakakatamad ng kalabanin to.
Eh, napasensya naman. Hindi na ako magagalit to eh.
Wala ng point, alam ko na yung buong story. So, apparent long sal ng mga. Ayun. Nakalawalan na ako ng gana.
Wala nang gana sa buko. Ayos na yun. Inom ka beer.
Inom na akong beer. Sarap. Naging magkapa ka na, Bon? Oo. Dito tayo kay Bon. Eh, nag-join na ako.
Nag-join ako eh. Kanino ba itong ginainan to?
Hindi ko alam.
Ayun na. MU.
Nahabol ako ng Ratalos, di ako maka-join. Dito ako kay Gemma. Nag-join ka na mo, so nag-join na ako.
Oh.
Oo naman yung bear. This is how you die, bro. Ow! Fuck you!
Layo ka doon sa may mga nag-i-spike boss na ano, sumasabog yun. May kaurat yan eh.
That's a bitch. Rodeo time. Oy, sino nagano? Bosot di ako yung pan. naka-fire ako. Mali ata to.
Yan yung ano? Yung switch up ng load ka.
Wala pa lang uwian.
Mara.
Walang uwian dito? Meron. Crumbling structures. Uwi muna ako. Papalit akong weapon.
Yan ba yan? Ang switch up ng load ka?
Oo.
Negative affinity ba yan? Ayan. Yung weapon yun.
Karamihan. Nalalakas yung raw damage pero negative affinity na.
Okay. Anong silbig lang yun yung weapon na ano?
Magluluto muna ako. Yung muna siyang patayin. Yan ang dulo na bato. So boys. Go boys. Potek. I just got here. Patingin sa'yo, Bon. Where you going?
Ba't naman ko kasi ano, Mara?
Ang bago ng secret ko, nauna ko na.
Secret
Ako, nauna na akong tumalon eh.
Secret ko nakatanga lang dun sa bangin eh.
Gago pag na-offset ko ito, patay natin to. Ay ka lang boy. Offset strike, bitch. Ayan. That's not good.
Kung maputo yung bukit na ito. Maputo yung bukit na ito.
Sayang na, na-offset ka yan. Anong range yan? OA.
Iba nga range na ito, hindi katulad sa ibang ano eh.
Oo, kasi clone siya eh. Ganun daw pag clone.
Hindi ka... Yung moveset niya iba na, hindi na katulad sa ibang beat. Ibang launch damage. Dati madali lang basahin.
Kapakay. Fuck! Nice!
Tagal ko na nga ano. Bigagan ko pa rin mo. Hindi ganun sa world eh.
Ano ata ito? Easy mode. Padali ng padali eh, yung mga Monster Hunter games eh. Para maging accessible sa mga ano, normie.
Marami na ka nag-i-skill na ito.
Tuloy natin buntot.
Yung Mara. Yung...
Nice! Lipa.
Lipa, dalawa ka puto.
Oh, nice. Tuloy natin. Nice!
Dalawa. Hindi tumama yung Hellbreaker ko.
Alit siya. Pulot time. Arm that bitch.
Bukay yung armor na ito, makunat.
Para nakita ko nga suot mo na yung armor niya eh.
Oo. kahapon.
Na-spoil na ako kahapon eh.
Kung nag-spoil, hindi ko matinabi sa'yo.
Kita ko eh. Dapat naka-bold ka lang.
Kaya naman yan.
Sumatal sa secret ko. Natakot. On. Hindi ba't opposite?
Balik ka sa akin.
Uy, Garen. Eh.
Patay na yan. Patay mo to. Testing mo. Maboons.
Tulog ka na ha? Puro Alfort naman. Nice baby. Love you. Uy, patay! Haha! Ay, ba't ba yan? Puro yan ha?
Basag mo pa yung wording.
Recharger. Ay, dito, Sam. Night, mahal. Gising ka pag kumatok na si George, ha? Kawawa naman si George. 9 o'clock, okay. Walang mapagano dito. Walang mining deposit. Rico?
Hindi na gumagana eh.
Kapag nagka-carve siguro, para hindi mainis yung mga players. Friendship Jewel. I don't need friends. Gago, wala akong highlight.
Ako, endemic life.
What did you do?
This person's a hunter, Uncle. They study monsters and
Maybe that
if
next
needed,
cutscene.
slay them.
People challenging monsters?
I killed it.
Incredible. You saved Nata, and now you've saved me as well. Thank you. I am Tashin. I was friends with Nata's father, and had been caring for the boy since his passing.
We're from an organization called the Hunters Guild. And that's Alma and Gemma. Nata told us what happened to you, so we came to help and investigate the monster that attacked your village.
You're after that thing? I see.
Are the others safe, Uncle?
I suppose we should start with that. I'll show you to our village. Come.
Bago ulit tayong village.
This way.
I
can't recall
employees.
what happened after I helped Nata escape and blocked the passage. All I remember is the sight of that behemoth closing in.
Bagal naman maglakad ni Tashin.
Several days later. More
Tulak mo nga sa bangin.
before I was even able to move. We gathered the survivors
Di ba
and
dati
built
pwedeng
places
pwede
to
buhatin
rest
pa si Haggis?
for ourselves and for those we lost.
Ay, hindi. Ibang laro pala yung
It was a
Dragon's
labor
Dogma.
without end.
Brutal mo, boss.
Pag mabagal sila maglakad, hinahagis ko sila.
Once our wounds were healed, we unblocked the passage, and I descended into the tunnel. Immediately, my legs began to shake. madness. None of
Apa
my
naman ang
people had
cutscene na to?
ventured outside for 1,000 years. I began to deeply lament my error, condemning Nata to some unknown void. I searched and searched to find him, to no avail. Surely someone must have found him, I prayed. But never did I imagine he would go as far as he did.
Why?
Binibili yung mga layered armor. Bakit?
The moment I saw that creature, I was certain we would all perish.
Kamukha na ito ni
But I
Tasin
couldn't let that happen to you.
Stanis Baratheon.
And now I know the path I chose was right. The others will feel the same.
God, hindi pa tapos. Akala ko tapos na.
Wyveria.
You look good.
Are you all right?
I'm okay. I'm so happy to see you all. Sorry for worrying you.
So, you said you were investigating the monster that attacked our home.
Yes. The white monster that caused Nata to flee your village.
Tashin, do you know what it is? Why did it do this to our village?
Nata. The time has come for me to tell you about this land and its people's long history.
Masot, gano'ng katagal tong cutscene na
I
to?
intended to share this with you the day you were lost.
Ko yun alam, nakalimutan ko. Basta matagal yan.
It is time we set you on your path. Come with me. We keepers have carried on the traditions of this land for eons. Ages ago, it was known as the capital, Wyveria.
This was a city?
Yes. You passed through a massive structure to reach us, did you not? That is what remains of the Outer Bailey, the wall around the capital's vast expanse.
That's incredible.
Yes, the people of Wyveria had access to limitless energy that let them control nature at will. They built an advanced civilization and reached the height of prosperity. But Wyveria fell. Its people and civilization were lost, except for the traces that still remain today.
You mean traces like the tunnel Nata passed through?
That is a wormway, a path for energy to travel long distances. They continue to supply energy to every corner of the land. But to what effect it may have, we no longer know.
So then, that means Wilk was created here in Wyveria.
We live at the heart of Wyveria's energy production. Our people subsist on it.
It's incredible. I can't believe how versatile it is.
After the fall of Wyveria, the Keepers remained to hold vigil over its legacy. And our watch has continued since time immemorial.
What's that? this?
An archive of the city's research journals. Most of them are beyond our understanding.
Wait, then who are the Keepers?
We are the descendants of those who studied this limitless energy and applied it to usher Wyveria into an era of prosperity.
Nasaan ka na, Mara? Nasa library ka na ba?
Oo, ini-XX ko na, ni-skip ko na lahat.
Researchers.
Jesus Christ, I wanna kill monsters.
Now we are just people getting by.
Wyvern milk.
Fascinating. I don't even know where to begin.
Well, considering how handy they are with Welk, it does stand to reason.
Is that what you name it out there? Here we call it Wyvern milk.
Pero lang kayo, tuloy ko bukas.
Tutulog na rin ako pagtapos na ito.
Where is Will? Sorry,
Wyvern. Walang pasok bukas na aga pa. Tara!
Walang pasok. May pasok ako bukas.
Deep underground, in the heart of Wyveria, there is a shrine.
Bukas ba ito?
It houses something we call the Dragon Torch, the source of all Wyvern milk.
The Dragon Torch.
Only that.
Why is it that the Keeper...
You see, it is obstacle.
Yes. Tuloy mo dyan.
Well then.
We'd like to have a...
There, not
Okay.
Good.
Putang ina, tagal mo uusap. Hayop. Mara has left the link party. Hindi ako makagawa ng bagong armor. Ang papangit na itsura eh.
Hindi, pang pa-defense lang.
All right, see you later.
So you're the travelers who helped Nata. Tell me, is the Everforge still out there? Does the downpour still occur?
Downpour? You mean in the forest, where the Wudwoods live?
So it's a forest now, is it? Good to hear the Wudwoods are carrying on. Not that I've ever met them.
Ano hunt natin, boss? Yung susunod mo. Lumabas na.
I hardly believe it's you, Nata.
You've gotten bigger.
Kailangan ko pa daw kausapin ulit si Tashin. Nakakausap ko lang kay Tashin. Kakausapin ko na naman. Ano ba to? Nasaan na ako?
It's time I showed you what our ancestors created.
Nandun na yata kayo sa ano, sa library.
Tapos na.
Very well.
Everyone seems like they're in good spirits.
Let's prepare for the...
Yeah.
Buuin mo siya, Ratalos. Fire.
Anything catch
Kailangan mo
that?
fire.
Wala naman Ratalos dito eh.
Guardian Ratalos. May longsword dyan.
Sa armor wala.
Meron.
Wala, hindi lumalabas dito eh.
Hindi lumabas sa'yo.
Oh. Ang pinaka...
Patay pa tayo.
Ang pinaka bago lang dito.
Got something in mind? Anything catch your eye?
Nakakuha ba Ratalos plate?
Alay ko.
Done already?
Baka kailangan ko usapin mo si Tashin.
It's time I showed you what our ancestors created. Are you ready to go? I was going to tell Nata. The place I'm taking you is known to the keep. Before we go, I need to tell you about the monster. It is a guardian by the name of Arkfeld.
Arkfeld! I knew it was an extinct species. But what exactly is a guardian?
It's the name we have used since the age of Wyveria.
Huh? What do you...
It is the secret.
I wonder how deep this goes. Monsters that serve people. There's no way there are monsters that would just follow people's orders, right?
Soon enough, you will see for yourselves just what the Guardians are.
Ano to? Breeding facility ba to?
You're not saying that...
Yes.
Nandun kayo sa ilalim, underground.
Our ancestors succeeded in creating life. Creatures they
Yan na yung mga kukun.
To this day, they hibernate in these cocoons.
You've gotta be
Pyramid
kidding me.
nila.
They are the legacy passed on to us.
Ay, gago, kakalabanin siya na dyan.
The Guardians were created with several unique properties. One,
Sabihin ko?
Wyveria's energy is
Sabihin ko hindi.
Sumali ka na lang.
to function.
Thus,
they have no need for predation.
That explains the behavior of the Doshagama and Rathalos we saw.
Two, they live indefinitely, and therefore have no need to reproduce.
They don't die of natural causes?
Not as long as they continue to consume the wyvern milk. Ever since Wyveria fell, the Guardians stayed dormant until recent years when they began to awaken. This place is rich in wyvern milk. They have all the sustenance they could ever need.
Yet Arkveld escaped to the outside world.
The Guardians were modeled after existing monsters, enhancing their traits. And it seems that Arkveld was singled out.
Because its species was extinct.
I don't know if that's the only reason, but yes, it was different. Arkveld awakened, attacked the village, and fled. Despite the loss of many lives, our only option is to continue watching over the Guardians still here. It is the destiny that we have inherited from...
Tashin, out there, I saw many things. Many people, creatures, all living life to the fullest. Life. Is that what you call this? Constructed husks they can't even eat? Locked away when they're no longer needed? Arkveld. All it wanted was to be free! And I...
which of us is worse.
Nata, if things were different, you wouldn't have this unique perspective. But you do.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't take it out on you.
You really do take after your father. Nata, his role among our people was particularly important. That pendant has a very unique function. The energy of Wyveria. Come. You will see.
Critical man, kailangan critical na yun.
Pumasok, lumalabas na. Ito.
Lalabas si Art Girl, eh? Tara ko dyan.
Because they didn't need to eat. Nata! Tashin!
Yun nga, yung sabi nga sa Jurassic, di ba? Yung ano, life finds a way. Mga ganung bulto. Nag-evolve. Nag-adapt sila sa ano, sa real life. Okay na. Ayaw. Wes, labas. Kinakot. Hindi naman natin, i-repeat lang natin na hindi natin papatayin dito. Tayo pa lang tatakbo yun. Hindi ko ma-perfect dodge. Nag-long sword ka? Taupo?
Isang hampas lang.
Hindi ka po mo armor.
Patay.
Ilag lang.
I'm stuck!
Buti ko tinatarget. Yan, sige. Ba't hindi pa perfect dance? Yun. Buka na Ratalos.
Susunod pa, anak ng teteng.
Nabuhat ako nung ng ilang monster.
Be careful.
Susunod na rin. Ratalos tayo. Ano oras ba?
Das-dos na.
Das-dos na pala.
Nata!
Gemma.
Tasheen! You're okay!
We were so worried.
We hid in the cocoons. It tricks the Guardians, at least for a while.
And these? Wow.
I am once again in your debt. Thank you. The strength you possess. It is...
You saw it, right? What Arkfeld was doing.
Yes, it was feeding. It's unprecedented. Where did it learn this behavior? Can it still be considered a Guardian? And if not, what is it in danger of becoming?
You're certain this has never happened before?
No, at least not that I'm aware of. Wait, the Allharken. She would know more than I.
The Allharken?
Yes, she is somewhat of an advisor to the Keepers. She hearkens information from far reaches and has amassed knowledge from across history.
Where can we find her?
In a village some distance from here. But a blizzard and a giant monster there makes the path treacherous. No Keeper dares make the journey.
Let's go.
We've come this far.
Don't be foolish. You do not know what awaits you.
Tasheen, they can do it. I know they can.
Even so...
I'm going with them. If the Allharken knows what Arkfeld is becoming, I need to know.
Please take care of him for me. And may your courage bring us the answers we seek.
We gotta prepare if we're gonna take on the cold.
Agreed. Let's regroup at the Keeper's Village.
Tapos na cutscene mo?
Oo.
everyone. I'm told the All Harken. However, the only path there from the ice shard.
We'll need to set up a base camp somewhere.
Well, and it.
They might have info to share too. Let's head to their camp in the cliffs.
Ah!